Hello, today I'd like to show you the Android specific features of Ghost Radar Connect. Here I have a standard 10-inch tablet that has Ghost Radar Connect installed. We'll go ahead and start it. And the first feature you'll notice with the Android version is that it adapts to your screen size. So on a tablet this size you'll see all the different components kind of laid out on the screen for you to get all at once. On smaller devices like phones, they're going to be compacted and you're going to have to get to the different features like the radar and the Vox through a button. So let's actually go pull up a phone so you can see what it looks like on a phone instead of the tablet. Here is a phone, so we can go ahead and start it there. And here you can see that only the radar is visible and not the Vox or the camera or the settings, but you can get to those by swiping. There's the camera, there's the readouts, or you can use the buttons up at the top. Also, the Android version has a menu where you can stop the radar or start it. The settings where you can decide whether you want it to run in the background or not when you exit the app by pushing the back button, or whether you want it to speak during warm-up. Another Android feature is that if something's happening while it's running in the background, you'll get that notification. You can turn off those noises if you want. If we actually exit out and wait for a notification, it would pop up in our notification bar and we can access it like we normally do. So let's go back into the app, and all this stuff is the same as on the iOS version. There is the logs where you can look at the sessions and its details. On Android, when you press the share button, it'll actually allow you to pick which app you want to share with, so you can share it however you like. Let's go back to the main screen. Again, these are similar to the iOS version. The one feature on Android that's pretty nice that isn't available on iOS is if we want to get a bigger view of the radar, we just kind of long press on the radar. Long press to get back, or actually back button to get back. Again, I'll show you that again. We long press on the radar and it makes it big and uses all the screen that it can. Okay, so let's go to our main screen. And one thing with Android is we can also do a widget. So there's a Ghost Radar widget available right there. We'll grab it and put it into our screen here. Now if we go back to the screen, we can make it a little bigger so it takes up most of the screen. So now you don't need to be in Android in the app to see what's going on. It lists all the most recent events that have occurred. You can start and stop the app from there. Up here you'll notice that we got a notification. Here the notification shows you the most recent events, and if we click on the notification you'll go into the app. So those are the features that are only available on Android for Ghost Radar Connect. So I hope you give it a try. Thank you.